Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Deleting a repository is permanent and irreversible, so proceed carefully. Back up your repository before deletion to preserve important files. Ensure you have admin rights on the repository to complete deletion. Identify any collaborators who need a copy of the code base. Remove any active webhooks, deploy keys, or GitHub Actions secrets linked to the repo. Check for connected services like CI, packages, or pages before removing the repository. If the repository is part of an organization, confirm organization policies allow deletion. Sign in to GitHub and open the repository page you want to delete. Click Settings in the repository menu near the top of the page. Scroll down to the Danger Zone section at the bottom of Settings. Click Delete this repository and read the warning dialog carefully. Type the repository full name exactly as shown to confirm deletion intent. Click I understand the consequences, then click Delete repository to permanently remove it. GitHub may require two-factor confirmation for extra security. Once you delete a repository, GitHub removes issues, wikis, and releases immediately. You cannot restore a deleted repository unless you have a local clone or a backup copy. If the repository belonged to an organization, contact the organization owner or GitHub support for assistance. For accidental deletions, provide repository name, owner, and deletion time when contacting support. Consider transferring ownership instead of deleting to preserve history and collaborators. Archive or make a private copy before deleting for safer long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.